5 games down, 1 game to go. Maya pabegi po kayo. This is Ryan Paolo for the continuing coverage of Delta Cup at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Tingnan sa likod ko. Exciting itong mga batang itong manood ng main game. Kaway-kaway kayo dyan. Our main game for today features Santo Tomas versus MINALIN. They're coming off a win. Ang MINALIN kahapon, tinalo nila ang GUAO 80-77. At ang Santo Tomas naman ay tinalo nila ang Candaba 76-72. So one has to give for this marquee matchup. And just a short while, ipapakita natin sa inyo ang mga focus players for this particular ball game. But more importantly, if you can see the law of averages, the key here for these teams is to at least score 80 points or more and limited their opponents to at least less than 70. So yun ang magiging barometer of scoring natin. Now in just a short while, papakita natin sa inyo ang mga focus players sa bawat kupunan. What's important here is that on this main game, ang important dito yung poise, yung heart, because they only have less than 24 hours to prepare. We're talking about these two teams at hand, MINALIN versus Santo Tomas. In just a short while, papakita natin mga players na yan. Pero isa pang nakikita ko rito, ang kailangan nilang patibayin dito yung kanilang stamina. Because if you're gonna play 10 to 20 minutes up and down court, mukhang bibigay ka dahil kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, you only have less than 24 hours to prepare. Later on, we're gonna show you those focus players. But first, wag na natin patagalin pa. Your main game, MINALIN versus Santo Tomas. Right after this. That's our lady venue announcer. Let's see, Molins, Marilyn, Tiburcio, Cabalinza. Okay, the starters. We're going to show you that on the screens right now. For MINALIN, we have Ibay, Pamulagan, Manabat, Sagmit, and Bonifacio. Head coach for MINALIN is Bernard Valencia. For Santo Tomas, we have Batak, G. Mercado, K. Mercado, Lyson, and Zapata. Head coach for Santo Tomas is PJ Mercado. Referees for this ball game, it's going to be Arnold Lazaro, Andrew Fabelico, and Danilo Pimentel. Let's go for our final game for this weekend of your Delta Cup. First possession now for the white shirts of MINALIN. MINALIN wearing in white and Santo Tomas wearing in green. Nine seconds on the shot clock. Philip Pamulagan, this is the three-pointer. Fresh 14 for MINALIN. Only 9 to shoot on the shot clock. Here's the drive. Pamulagan spots. Short. And the rebound controlled by Zapata. That's a block. But there's going to be a foul on Pamulagan. His first personal. 2 free throws now for Mercado. And abangan nyo lang po sa Facebook page. And also, we will announce the schedules on Saturday, January 19. Wala po tayong laro sa January 20 dahil meron pong gagamit ang yung BREN Young Convention gagamit ng isang civic organization here. According to our Commissioner Leo's Act, our game will be only for Saturday, January 19. Mercado makes the free throw. 2-0 is the count. 9:19 to go in the first quarter. Here's the drive. Sagmit. Nagipit sa ilalim. Finding a pass to Ibay. Ibay is our focus player. Pamulagan. 5 to shoot. On the shot clock. Sagmit needs to put it up. In time. And in place. And in rhythm. He beats the shot clock. 2 also counts. Santo Tomas up by and MINALIN are dead even. Shot clock is winding down. And a bucket. 3-point bomb exploded by Santo Tomas. Five to 2. Santo Tomas. And it's going to be a traveling error for that. 8:17 left in the first quarter. Screen ball plays here for Santo Tomas. It's going to be a foul on Philip Pamulagan. It's going to be the first personal. 13 to shoot, corner flip. Not this time around. The stick back won't work. That's going to be another foul given up by MINALIN. Two free throws for Zapata. Kaya pag naisip ko yung Zapata na iisip ko yung artistang si Dominic Zapata or maybe a reporter like that, no? Talagang napaka-famous yung pangalan na yan sa Pilipinas. In this time, it is a 2-point output for MINALIN and already 6 points for Santo Tomas. Pamulagan, baseline. Hold it, says the ref. Meron tayong foul against Mercado. That's referee our crew chief, Arnold Lazaro. Only the first team foul for Santo Tomas. Sagmit spins. Pass deflected by Mercado. Fast break. Pitag, no. Missing the layup. Pamulagan, starter step. There's a double team comes. Manabat gives it up to Sagmit. Baseline, Pamulagan. That was aborted. Here's Batak. Sabi ko, bitag, Batak pala yun. He scored the layup anyway. Eight to 2, Santo Tomas. Look at that, Batak just flexed his muscles. Baseline drive. Hop step, the runner, it goes. Eight 4, Santo Tomas. Mercado. Batak. The drop. Zapata reverse. No. Batak couldn't clean it up. Third effort, yes. So that's 2 offensive rebounds for Santo Tomas. .6:28 remaining in this first. The running shot won't work. The turnaround by Ibay. Batak clears the board. Here's another fast break engineered for Santo Tomas. And they blaze it with glory. 12-4 Santo Tomas. 6 minutes to go in the first quarter. Sagmit may tanga ng bola. Shot will not work. Three-point shot, no. Here's the drive. Pamulagan rattles out. He will take 2 shots anyway. Twelve to 4. First free throw is no good. One more free throw. Yes. Substitution for Santo Tomas. Split charities for Pamulagan. Good start here for Santo Tomas. 12-5. So, salamat po sa nag-correct ha. We will update the scoring. It should be 5 for Okay, it's correct ha. Minalin is 5-12 Santo Tomas. Nagkabaliktad pala yung ano, no? Tama yung setup pala, no? 5.5 remaining. Almost a turnover. Starting on the shot clock. Here's Pamulagan. 5.5 minutes remaining. And there's a foul. Substitution patterns now. Gomez checks out. Bonifacio will inbound for Minalin. Ibay right down the base. Almasara couldn't get that pass. And so far, Minalin has caught flat-footed in the first quarter. Only 5 points as compared to the Green Shirts of Santo Tomas with 12. 5:17 remaining sa ating first quarter. This is now game 6 of 6. Our last game for this weekend para sa Delta Cup. And we will be right back on January 19 for another 6 games. And after that, we will be back on Monday, January 21. As stated by, or January 24, probably. So antayin nyo lang po yung official announcement natin. But so far, the official will be January 19 lang po, Sabado, for our Delta Cup. Unless there are some changes that will be happening within this week, we will update you on our Facebook page of Pampanga Information Office for Delta Cup 2023-24. 2 free throws miss, and here it comes Bonifacio. Second effort, Almozar and Bonifacio failing to convert from point-blank range. Halfway point of the first quarter, 5 minutes. Nakaagaw dito si Philip Pamulagan. Can he go all the way? Yes, sir. Counter steal for Minalin. And here's sidestep by Parunga. No. Ibay, second effort in vain. Bonifacio twice again. Calling Sabri to deep, but he will take 2 shots. Another foul given up. That's 2 straight turnovers there by Santo Tomas. Take a look at this in slow-mo. So yung rebound, Ibay. He was walloped. (12-7). 4:36 remaining in the first quarter. Both teams in penalty. And ito, free throws na po para kay Pamulagan. So efficient score, but he will be hard-pressed for this mighty Santo Tomas squad. 2 for 2 for Pamulagan. 12-9 is the tally. Santo Tomas up by 3. Whoops. It's an inbound violation. Gomez steps on the line. Oh, no. He traveled. It's a traveling. Second shot clock now. Ibay. And a steal. Here it comes. Santo Tomas. Another fast break. It will be a foul. Hard foul. Given up. And Parong was slightly hurt on that. Let's see that again in slow-mo kung ano nangyari. Here's the drive. Sumalo mo si Parunga. Ooh! Nung pagkababa niya, may konting nudge, no? Tinamaan siya sa mukha. Pero hindi naman sadya yun. It's accidental. Kitang-kita yun sa slow-mo replay. Thank you, Direct. .31 remaining in the first quarter. It's a 12-9 count. The Thomasian Ballers of Santo Tomas up by 3. This is now game 6 of 6 of our Delta Cup. Hope you enjoyed us. And of course, current situation, special Sunday. In an hour from now, magsisimula ng Wish Music Awards at Araneta Coliseum and ongoing on Cainta Rizal. It's the Sinag Liga Lakas 40 quarterfinals bracket A. 4.5 minutes remaining. The free throw is out. Battle for the rebound is going to be a what? A foul. (13-9). Santo Tomas up by 4. MINALIN can trim down this lead and make this a very, very intense ball game. Pamulagan on the left wing. They swing it around. Back to Pamulagan. Fires a 3. It back irons it. Guevara, quick release. It goes in. Nicely done. (13-11). We're down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the bounce pass. The drop pass. Great play. 15-11. Santo Tomas up by 4. 3 minutes and 45 remaining in the first quarter. Here's Guevara doing the traveling. (15-11). Bahiti brings it up. 15 to shoot. Gomez, 10 on the shot clock. He drives. Thwarted, but still making the basket. How about that? Oh, that deserves a second look. What a move by Gomez. Foul will be spotted against Guevara. Take a look at this. Bruising encounter. No problem for Gomez. He stood his ground, stood its spot, and making the basket in one. 3-point play opportunity for Gomez. Nope. There's a lane. Oh, it's an out of bounds play rather. Ball will retain to the green shirts of Santo Tomas. Mercado now in the ball game. Some changes in the lineup. Here's Gomez. Can't shoot. He drives. Lost it. And here's Pamulagan on a fast break. Pamulagan will not score, but Mercado will give up a foul. All right, 2 free throws for Pamulagan. First free throw is good. Second is good. 17-13. Santo Tomas. 3 and 10 remaining in the first quarter. Inside track, no. (17-13). Oh, it's a lost possession and a turnover. Ball will go back to MINALIN. And during that, we can now see the crowd appreciating the efforts for both squads. Long three, short. And that's going to be a foul. Pushing foul against Guevara. All right, we're going to have a timeout. We'll be right back. Okay, we are 2 minutes and 29 seconds away to end this quarter number 1 of this game 6 of 6 of our Delta Cup. My name is Juan Parra, coming to you live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. And what has been a fantastic week of basketball, especially for our Kapampangans who have enjoyed the trailers, the fillers, and some highlights of this ball game and the other games that we covered. And this is just 1/3 of the pie, because we still have a lot to do as far as elimination one's concerned, as we have this fast break opportunity thwarted. And the ball will stay with the green shirts with 20 seconds on the shot clock, 2 minutes and 18 in the game clock. Three-point shot won't work this time. (19-13) is our tally. 2:05 remaining. The spin, the trap, Lobo, too strong. Second effort in vain, but it will stay in the back here to MINALIN, but only 5 seconds on the shot clock. Here's a drive, and it's going to be a traveling. So, and thank you so much for 500 viewers watching right now for Delta Cup. Ten on the shot clock. And that's a turnover once more for MINALIN. And here comes the green shirts. A minute and a half to the first. The shot will not work. Put back. No. And it's going to be a traveling again. (14 seconds on the shot clock. Time to shoot. Santo Tomas looking for a more comfortable spell. They have a 6-point lead in this first quarter. 3 on the shot clock again. It's a rejection. Just in time. With only a second to go on the shot clock. Let's see these in slow-mo. Or do we have a slow-mo? Six-point Santo Tomas lead. They can increase this depending on the free throw by Chong Son. I don't know if he's related to Huami Chong Son, one of the players in the PBA. Missed shot. One more free throw. He didn't get it. A minute remaining in this ball game. 19-13. From the baseline. It is a foul. There is a foul on an instant. Free throws now for MINALIN. He got it. Second is good. Under a minute remaining. Inside pass. Nice play. Mahiti with a dish. .39 ticks to go. Layog with a drop. It will drop also for Malabat with a 2-drop. 25 ticks to go in the first quarter. Gomez heads up offense. 6-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Gomez banging bodies. No problem. He just bulldozed his defender just like that. 8 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Sidestep there by Iba. Drops it off to Lobo. Only 2 seconds to go. Will it be enough? Mahiti for the buzzer. No. Could have been a buzzer beater, but instead it will be a first quarter score. 23 points Santo Tomas. 17 points MINALIN. Let's see the highlights of the first quarter, shall we? This play is special. The hop step and a jump. On the other end, hop step. We're seeing a lot of Marco Polo moves for both squads, huh? Both side step at all. On the third time, nice drop. And a perfect execution there for Santo Tomas. Those are the highlights. We shall return for the second quarter action. Action resumes right here live at the GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of your Delta Cup. This is our nightcap of our 6-game broadcast. Santo Tomas versus MINALIN. And that's going to be a traveling. Play number 1 says submit. He's manning the point for this. Submit with a broken play. Drives hard to the hole. He will score. On the other end, Submit. Slice down. Oh, sorry. It's a bucket by Silvestre. (25-19). Ibay draws the defense. Outside sniping, it's a foul, and it will be 3 shots for Submit. It's a foul on Silvestre. It will be 3 free throws for this skinny guy, but now you can see a little muscle from him by Submit. He's really working so hard in training. But the team, MINALIN, is still down by 6 points. 20 points now. (25-20). A split. 5-point game. Almost a steal. The drop. The shot. No conversion. Rebound. Shot clock, but there's contact. It's going to be a foul on Punsalan. It's going to be 2 free throws now for Collis. That's going to be 2 free throws, yes. 2 free throws for the offended party. Okay, so there's a warning on somebody for sportsmanlike behavior, so they need to be careful of that. And still scored at Peg, 25-20. Santo Tomas leading by 5. Garcia aborted, but there's contact upstairs. It's going to be a foul against Santo Tomas. Lopez will be meted with a foul. Collis will take a rest. So that's the problem of MINALIN and Santo Tomas. Both of them are shooting at least 60% of the time at the free throw line. But in playoffs, they need to be extra careful. That time is a split for Garcia. Steal once again. Jackknife by Garcia, no good. He gets it right back. Ball stripped away out of his hands. Lyson has it. Forward pitch to Silvestre. Drops it up. And Lopez puts it in. (27-21), 8 minutes and change remaining in the first half. Submit. This shot to Punsalan outside. A 3 offline. Matt Squatter for the loose ball. Look at the tangle of these players. Woody want to dive the ball for the win, and we have a timeout on the floor. No, there's no timeout. It's just a 3 fouls for someone. It's going to be free throw time, or it's going to be a half-court throw-in. So it will just be a half-court throw-in. Ibay will inbound from the baseline. 7:55 remaining. Here's Sagmit, sidestep, Sagmit, block. Ibay has it. Oh, he passed it to no one. Mahiti now mix it up. 7:38 remaining in the second quarter. Silvestre. Sagmit with a steal. Ibay. Crossover. Ibay wants to go all the way to the hole. Short. Gets it right back. Here's the foul, and Garcia will take 2 shots nonetheless. (27-21). Free throw is good. And Silvestre will check out for Santo Tomas. With 7:19 remaining, it is a 5-point lead for Santo Tomas. Alam nyo, hindi bumibitaw ang Minalin dito in the first half. Alam nila, Minalin is a second half team. That's for sure. 14 fouls already for Santo Tomas. Minalin has 1. And here it comes. They break the press just like that. Almost a turnover. Mercado picks it up. Inside play, Lopez with a stretch. (29-22). The lead is 7. Here's the fake. Smothering rejection. Wow. Great nerve-shattering shot block. (29-22). Here it comes. Another layup. The tip. Oh! One player is down on the floor hard. Dipsy-do won't work. Play continues. Grimacing in pain is the one player. Slowly picking himself up. The shot will not work. He will try again. Why in the world the shot clock expired? The ball hit iron. I don't know about that. It is their fault. It's the table officials apologizes for that mishap. Nagulat ako dun ah. Tumama naman, but hindi na-reset yung shot clock. But anyway, that's life. Play continues, and let's enjoy this ball game, huh? So it is a table official mistake. So the shot clock will be at 14 seconds. Pamulagan 3. Nope. Rebound control for the white shirts. Here's the turnaround shot. Air ball by Bonifacio. And we have a miscue. After miscue, we have a foul from the rear. So it's going to be free throws time for Minalin. 2 free throws for Bonifacio. Second is good. Lead is 5 for Santo Tomas. MINALIN just refuses to give up. They want to just stay on the course, and let's see if in the second half can mount the full-scale uprising and we have a foul given up. That's going to be against Mercado, offensive foul. And Mercado now in foul trouble with his third personal foul. 24-29 is a 5-point lead for Santo Tomas. Halfway point of the first half. Three ball by Sagmet. Finally, after 3 attempts, he made one. Twenty-nine to 27. There's a foul. .526 remaining in the second quarter. So 2 free throws now for Gomez. First is good. Second is no good. 27 for MINALIN, Santo Tomas 30. Approaching the 5-minute mark of this second quarter. Back to by Sagmet, taken away by Mahiti. Counter steal by Sagmet. Oh, these guys are very, very shifty guards. Pamulaga with a hang time move. Thwarted by Collis. And look at this. Collis gives up a foul after a counter steal. Oh boy, we see helter-skelter basketball in this main game. Just when you thought that the game earlier was a good one, oh, check out this. That slow-mo replay shows you why. Free throw is good. All right, Sagmet for another free throw. It's no good. Rebound control by Bonifacio. He almost threw it away. 10 to shoot. Pamulagan. Starter step. Pamulagan fakes. 5 on the shot clock. Sagmet drives. Draws. Bonifacio needs to pull up. Shot clock expired for MINALIN. The coach says shoot it. Shoot it. It is a shot clock violation. So, because of that situation, MINALIN sues for time. We'll be right back. To 28. Santo Tomas up by 2 points with 4 minutes and 40 remaining in this second quarter action. Mahiti. There he comes. There's a bone-crunching pick by Collis. Here's the three-pointer from the corner. Mahiti delivers. 28-33. There's some pushing and shoving. It's really a physical encounter once more. Pambulaga with a drop. The drop pass inside. The shot by Ibay draws a foul. Will take 2 shots. That's in it. Act of shooting. And Santo Tomasin penalty. It will take 2 free throws. Look at this sequence. Nice pass, Bonifacio. Ball is loose. Ibay, great presence of mind. Threw it up. And good enough. He will take 2 shots. So Ibay will take 2 free throws right now. So MINALIN now above, just above 60% shooting for today. First free throw miss for Ibay. He missed both. Rebound. Pambulaga has it. Pambulaga drops it off. Great feed. Bonifacio delivers. The lead is 3, 33-30. Time down to 3 minutes and 57 in the first half. Zapata has it. Will drive hard to the hole. Hacking foul. It will take 2 shots. The foul is on Layog. That's only his first personal foul. First free throw is good for Zapata. Two for two for Zapata. 35-30 Santo Tomas. Bonifacio travels. Traveling. Press now for MINALIN. Here's Gomez. Lays it up and in. Great move there for Gomez. Or Lopez rather. High pass. Bonifacio couldn't catch. It's 37-30 is our tally. With 3 minutes and 30 remaining in the first half of action. Oh, that's Gomez, rather. Gomez brings up the ball. Gomez goes right. Shaking big. Great crossover. Gomez escapes and almost scored a basket. And here's Layog with a rebound. The smallest guy on the floor for MINALIN. Approaching the 3-minute mark of the second quarter. Pambulagan fires a 3. Offline. Okay, we have a substitution on the floor now. Seven-point lead with Santo Tomas. Mercado breaks the press. He will challenge everybody, but he lost the ball. Counter steal. Here's Layog. Layog banged. It's going to be a foul on Mahiti. It's Maniti rather, not Mahiti. Maniti. Hirap makita yung pangalan nila no? First free throw is good for Layog. The lead is 6. 37-31. Makes both. Five-point game. Trapped. Steal. Manabat scores. Timeout for Santo Tomas. The lead is down to 5, 37-32. The lead is down to 3 rather, 37-34. We'll be right back after this slow-mo replay. Back to live action here at the BREN Convention Center, continuing coverage of the Delta Cup 2023-24 season. And almost a turnover. It will stay. It's going to be a fresh shot clock. Here it comes. Silvestre. The drop to Lopez. 3-point shot, right corner court. Got it to go. Got it to go. Two and 12 remaining. Ricardo hitting the 3 on the right corner court. Parungao 3, short. Pamulagan foul. 2 free throws for him. Two free throws now for Pamulagan. First is no good. Second is good. 2 minutes remaining in the first half. Look at jostling for position and Batak yielding some players there, holding it too tight. Live was taken down, but not to the intention of hurting, but just making sure that he's free. Look at this. Oh, look at that elbow. But anyway, the foul on Live will be 2 free throws for the defendant party. First is no good. Second free throw is still no good. Pamulagan with a rebound. Exactly 2 minutes remaining in the first half. Layog with the alley-oop pass. No, Manabat. Caught inside into deep. There's a foul. There will be 2 free throws. Second personal foul on Mercado. Nope. It goes back to Santo Tomas. Here's Silvestre. Tippin. A minute and 35 remaining. Zapata with that stick back. Ball is loose. Lopez has it. The lead is 7. Can they make it 9? Yep. 9-point cluster. Santo Tomas 3 straight turnovers for MINALIN, and MINALIN will sue time. (44-35). Santo Tomas up by 9. 4-point cluster of those 2 turnovers by MINALIN. And Pampanga will inbound for the white shirts. And the press continues. And Zapata takes the steal right here for Santo Tomas. Tap by Parungao. That leaves 6 seconds on the shot clock. Only 5 seconds to work with. Zapata drives side to the hole. Block! It's a block. Only leaving 2/10 of a second to work with on the shot clock. Let's see that again. There you go. Quick shot. It goes! It goes! How he did that? 2/10 of a second. I can't believe it. (46-35). And a steal. Pamulagan scores. 37-46. Still, Santo Tomas up by 9. The press is on. Silvestre swatted away by Ibay. Swatted away. Return to sender. This deserves a second look. Mercado draws a foul. It's a foul of Pamulagan. All right, 2 free throws now for Mercado. Rest is no good. Second is good for Mercado. 22.9 seconds remaining. Zapata, ram on him. Here's Pamulagan with a cross. Drives hard. No, tip in by Ibay. And will be 2 free throws for Ibay. So it's a foul on Silvestre. We'll go to the bench. Both teams in penalty. 14.5 seconds remaining. We have here on the camera referees discussing with Deputy Commissioner Totoy Marquez, who happens to be one of our table officials, and he's discussing with matters with our referee Danilo Pimentel. The other referees now on deck is Andrew Famelico and Arnold Lazaro. We're down to 14.5 seconds remaining in the first half. The basket there by Ibay. The lead of Santo Tomas is 9 points. Rebound Gomez. Final 10 seconds before we end this half. 5 seconds. Mercado from the corner. It goes! It goes! Halftime score 49-38. Or one has been a Santo Tomas ball game. Take a look at the last 2.2 seconds of the shot clock. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell on that last shot clock that's counted, but these are some highlights of the first half. We'll bring right back for the second half. This is Delta Cup. Let's see the highlights of the first half of action as we have this count 49-38. We'll start with Segmit's layup. Beautifully done. And a 3-point shot conversion. Slice and dice and a deuce for Bonifacio. Tip in there by Zapata. And of course, we're going to discuss to you our leading scores for this first half of action, starting with Mercado, 12 points. Gomez with 8. Lopez with 7. Minaling Segmit with 9. 8 Pamulagan and 8 for Bonifacio. Third quarter is coming up in a bit. This is Delta Cup. Again, thank you so much for watching the Delta Cup for our two Facebook pages, facebook.com/Pampanga PIO, and also the okay. So after the review of our table officials, the shot clock at point 2 is not counted, so it's 47-38. That's where we're going to start the second half of action. We're down to the final 20 minutes of playing time, so stay with us. Ryan Paro here for Delta Cup here at the GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Zapata with a drop pass to Lopez. Lopez will score. 9 points for Lopez. And he got a steal. But a steal by Pamulaga, not quite. The ball goes back to the sideline. It will retain for Santo Tomas. Fresh shot clock for Santo Tomas. They're up by 11 now, 49-38. Time to shoot. Here's the drive. The scope shot will work. This time Gomez scores. 10 points for Gomez. Banaran. Pump fake here by Bonifacio. Nowhere to go. Almost traveled. Here's Sagmit. 7 to shoot. Sagmit can't pull the trigger. Here's Pamulaga right down the base. Drops it off. Inside Bonifacio. One of the shot clocks. Going to be a 3-second violation. And subsequently, one player is hurt due to cramps. And that's Pamulaga. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Oh, what has happened before the injury of Pamulagan? Yeah, it hit the hamstring of Zapata and he's visibly hurt. You can see that right there in slow-mo replay. Mm. 51-38 now. It's a 13-point lead for Santo Tomas. Gomez is momentarily open. He fires a 3-point shot. Short rebound. And look at the hustle of this guy wearing jersey number 10. It's Batak. Kaya sinasabi nila batak na batak sa laro. A great steal by Zapata. And here comes Gomez. Hacking foul on Manabat. Look at that slow-mo replay. (51-38) now. 2 free throws for Gomez. He's the second leading scorer for Santo Tomas. And Gomez now has 11 points, tying Mercado. The sidestep. Here's the shot. Won't work. Rebound controlled by Santo Tomas. A steal by Sagmit. And Sagmit will lace up and end. 11 points for Sagmit. The lead is 12 for Santo Tomas. 7:52 remaining in the third. From the corner. 6 on the shot clock. Brought up. 2 on the shot clock. The pass to Lopez. Lopez will not score. Rebound control for Manabat. Sagmit brings it downtown. Sagmit will drive. The drop to Manabat. Dish off to the last second. Nice pump fake for Bonifacio. Bonifacio almost traveled. There's a block shot. Ibay has it with 9 to shoot. Drives down the baseline. Nowhere to be found. Sagmit on the outside with 5 to shoot. Sagmit. Ibay for 3 from the corner. Yes! Just like that, 10-point lead for Santo Tomas. 7 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Silvestre. Gomez. Picked by Zapata. Gomez penetrates. Gomez will score the basket and he has 13 points. Lobo on the trail. The drop inside. Missed the shot. The lead now is in 11 for Santo Tomas. And here's Zapata. Hang time move didn't pay off. Rebound. Smothered. Rebound. And there's going to be a foul against Santo Tomas. It's a good rebounded by Lobo. And the foul will be spotted by the refs against Lopez. Both teams had 1 team foul apiece. And MINALIN with an 11-point lead. Here's Sagmit. Pamulagan, there's going to be a blocking foul on Zapata. And Zapata will be called for his second personal foul. And thank you so much for 300 viewers still there watching this, the nightcap of sorts. Sagmit, the spin, he travels. No, there's no travel. There's going to be a foul. Foul against Who's going to foul? I think it's Silvestre who's called for the foul. All right, 10 seconds on the shot clock. From the corner, Ibay, cross court. Lobo, 3 to shoot. Lobo needs to put it up. Lobo, one-handed shot, rims out. Rebound control by Zapata. 5:50 left in the third. Mercado has it. Inside to Zapata. Great move there for Santo Tomas. Quickly the press, but Sagmed quickly drives hard to the hole. The drop off. We have a foul against Santo Tomas, and that will be Mercado once more. And that will be his 4th personal foul. There's a warning on the proper bench decorum. "17 seconds on the shot clock. "15 to shoot. 10 on the shot clock. Submit. 7 to shoot. Inside play. There's a foul. He will take 2 shots. Great drive with the paint by Banabat. That's the 2nd personal foul on Silvestre. Oh, sorry, it's number 77 who will score for the foul. Banabat now will take the 2nd free throw. Is good. The lead is 12 points for Santo Tomas. We're still halfway point. It's been a slow 3rd quarter. This has been the bane of existence since the 3rd game. It has been slow, but it has been rugged. Almozar grabs the rebound of the 2 misses by Santo Tomas. Here's Sagmit. Another foul given up, and look at the coaching staff there now taking a technical foul. He wants to throw that. He wants to throw that chair. If he does that, he will be out of the game. He cooled his temper. Diba? Pag binato mo yung upuan, that's an automatic out of the playing court. Oh, he needs to cool his temper. We have seen this many times. Pero coach, tingnan natin ha. Let's replay that. Coach Commissioner Leosac wants to see this last bit of action. On that last sequence, tapos tuloy-tuloy mo lang ha. Sige. Pagka-foul dyan. Okay. Okay, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang ha. Gusto makita ni coach ay. Wag. Ganito. Nandun yung foul, tapos ituloy-tuloy mo lang. Siguro front kami. Tapos makita mo yung ibabato sana ng ayan. Okay, tingnan natin to ha. Then here's the drive. By the way, the technical free throw was missed. And look at the coach. Look at the coaching staff. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Tuloy mo lang. Tuloy. Wala. Okay. Hindi kita. (56-44). So we see this in another angle. We want to see how the coaching staff will react when he wants to throw the chair after that call, but I believe we haven't catch that on a slow-mo replay. Here's the... Oh, did you see that? He almost threw the chair. But he cooled his temper, because if he does that, he will be instantly out of the playing court, because that's illegal in basketball. We've seen that to Coach Tim Cohn. We've seen that to Coach Yeng Yao way back in the 90s. We don't want that to happen here in Delta Cup. All right, back to live action. Thompson misses the layup. 4:46 in the third. Ibay drop pass inside. The shot will not work. Offensive rebound, still no soap. Battle for the rebound, Santo Tomas. And here's Silvestre. Thompson. Johnson rather. Mercado. Here's Zapata from the corner. Will not shoot a three. They're swinging around from Batak from right to left. Here's Thompson double team. Mercado drops it up. Here's a three-point shot by Batak. Three ball no good. Battle for the rebound. Here's Almosara. Here's Sagmit on a fast break. Sagmit lays it up and in. Lays it up and in. The lead is down to 9 points. And Sagmit has 13 points right now. 13 points for Sagmit. 4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. There's a pick by Chongson. Mercado wants to broke loose. Here's the driving side the basket by Mercado. 14 points for Mercado. The lead is now 11:58-47. Time down to 3 minutes and 41. Sagmit will fire a three-point shot from top of the key or area short. Rebound control. Ball is loose. Ball is still loose. Finally, the green dress has the letter Chongson. Now to Mercado on the left wing. Dribbles to his right. Mercado pops out. Three-point shot. It doesn't drop off line. Rebound controlled by Ibay. Ibay brings down the letter. Ibay against Silvestre. Ibay dribbles left. Dribbles right. Goes for it. Foul. Counted. Is that counted? Is that counted, ref? Let's see. Basket counts. Let's see that again in slow-mo. When he heard the whistle, he threw it up. And the referee decided that that shot will count. It's just a 9-point game, 3 minutes and 14. And Ibay misses the free throw. Remember, Minalin's not yet in the penalty, only one team foul. Santo Tomas already in penalty situations early in the third quarter. Here's a spin move there by Mercado, goes for it. Traveling. It's just a 9-point game. 3 minutes to go in the third quarter. Here's Ibay. Ibay drives, drops it off. Sagmit on the outside. Shake and bake move by Sagmit. Can't pull the trigger. From the baseline. Here's Almosara. Goes for it. Shot will work. Shot will work. (58-51) and Minalin now the crowd chanting defense. The lead is down to 7. You can see Minalin, as I told you at the top of the coverage, they are on a second half team as Silvestre banks it in. Oh, look at that. Zapata has some words with for Sagmit. And now the Santo Tomas turn to play defense. Here's Sagmit. Died on the shot clock. Almosara. Bounce pass to Sagmit. Ibay can't pull the trigger. Here's the drive inside the paint. It will work. It will work. That shot, courtesy of Guevara. The lead is 7. Under 2 minutes remaining in the third. Mercado. Drives to his right. Bad pass. It hit me. Part of the game. It's Guevara. Sagmit. And the rest of Minalin. It's just a 7-point game. Sagmit will drive. There's a double team. Almosara double team still. Tightly guarded. Ibay on the outside. 2 seconds. He needs to put it up. He fires a 3. It's a shot clock violation. Is this a shot clock violation? And of course it's hard-headed. It is a shot clock violation. And look at the crowd, it's very animated. Take a look at this. 1 second, there's no foul. No clear possession. That should be a shot clock violation. 60-53. Zapata 3. No. Nice save. And Guevara has it. Sagmit brings it downtown. 51 ticks. This is just a 7-point game. Sagmit will fire a 3-point shot. That's off to the left. Ibay saves it. Sagmit has it. Inside track. Baseline drive. Guevara was blocked. Sagmit almost got a steal. The lob pass to Mercado. Mercado fouled. And Manabat and Mercado has the words for it. And they are now giving technicals because... And look at Minalin coaching staff. They are emotionally immersed in this game. And the crowd, look at the crowd. Very, very intense final game of this. Both of them wants to win. Let's see that again in slow-mo. How emotionally immersed is this? This is a foul. And look at Manabat. He's yelling and Manabat reacting. And they want some confrontation, so it's going to be a technical foul on both. This will be a double technical on both. Referees will now decide the outcome. They might consult the instant replay system of what happened. But I think the referees will know the decision of this. I don't know about that. The crowd is reacting that there are some stingy smell here in the BREN convention. I don't know about that. And let's review the last bit of action in slow-mo. I might wear a mask if it's very stingy kapag umabot pa dito. But direct patingin nga yung last bit of action in slow-mo. Okay, here's the shot. Okay, this. Oh, stop muna, direct. Stop muna. Okay. It's a foul on Manabat. Oh, stop muna, direct. Oh, wait lang. Okay, tuloy. Dahan-dahan lang. Here's the reaction. Okay. Oh, stop muna tayo, direct. Stop muna. So, it's gonna be Manabat at number 8, Mercado. Okay? Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Nag-react pa siya. Whoop. Tinigil. Sige, tuloy lang ng konti. Ayun. Oo. So, tingnan natin yung isa pang angulo. Isa pa. Here's the foul by number 20, Manabat. Here's the Mercado yells at Manabat and Manabat reacts. And here. Okay. Roll tayo. Okay. So, this will be a 2 technicals on Manabat because of unsportsmanlike behavior and fighting stance. There you go. So, he will be out of the playing court. And look at the reaction of the coach. Sige, isa pa direct pero diretso mo lang hanggang sa coach. Sa mga benches. Sige, tuloy mo lang direct. Pwede tayo top view camera tapos tuloy-tuloy lang. Yung top view camera naman, after ng foul, tapos tuloy-tuloy lang. Kumbaga fast tayo. Doon na tayo sa altercation. Ayan, sige. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang direct ha. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Ayan. So, nag-react. Ayan, technical. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ay, yung reaction ng coach. Sige, roll, direct, roll. Roll lang, tuloy-tuloy, roll.
Pumasok na, isa.
Isang pumasok. Dalawa.
Sa white ha?
Sa white.
Dalawa pumasok. Okay.
So, okay. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Tingnan natin kung... So, tatlo.
Tatlo pumasok ha? Okay. Tuloy lang.
So, tuloy lang direct. Kaya pa ba?
Hindi pumasok ito, isa.
Dalawa lang.
Okay.
So, sige. Tingnan na.
Tuloy lang para sa kabila.
Wala na. Di na daw kaya eh.
Wala sa kabila.
Wala daw sa kabila eh.
Ganito, kunin na lang nakita natin. Pumasok si Taba. Tsaka, compensating na lang natin to. Dalawang benches. Technical, both benches.
Improper bench decoro.
Technical foul.
Proper bench decorum on both. So this is a long review, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay tayo ha. Isa-isa. Hinimay-himay natin ha. Back of shooting.
So there's a foul. Technical foul on 8. Technical foul on 20. 20 double technical with a fine dispense, and then technical for benches. So these will be the decisions of ref. They will report it on the officials. So again, ulitin natin sa mga viewers. At least you heard it first by our referees. Crew Chief Arnold Lazaro. It's going to be a foul on number 20 of Minalin. Technical, double technical on him for the unsportsmanlike behavior and fighting stance. Technical foul on Mercado for unsportsmanlike behavior. And it will be double technical for both benches. Technical foul on Minalin. Technical foul on Santo Tomas for improper bench decorum. These are the official decisions of our referees, which will be reported to the table officials, and we will hear the official announcement very shortly. So, hindi pa po tayo tapos. We're still in the third quarter, 33 seconds. It's gonna be a long night for us, ladies and gentlemen. Ganito po ka-intense. Lagi ang main game ay nakaka-intense. Now, I will give the mic for our venue announcer because we want to hear you the official announcement. Let's listen. Okay, the crew chief, Arnold Lazaro, now discussing to the referees the official verdict. Okay, let's wait for the official announcement. Tabay lang po tayo mga kabalit. Let's listen to the radio announcer, MINALIN Molins Tiburcio. Okay, that's the announcement. So number 20 play of MINALIN with his 2 technical fouls, he will be out of the playing court. Yun po ang official decision ng referee. Technical foul din si Mercado. Foul si number 20 ng MINALIN. And then the technical foul on both benches for improper bench decorum. So, napakahaba ng ating laro mga kaibigan. Okay. Yung reaction ng mga tao dun sa BREN Convention Center, alam niyo na ako na ibig sabihin nun. Not gonna say that word because bawal po sa ating live social media platforms po yung mga ganyang words. Siyempre, as a broadcaster, we don't want to interpret or misinterpret other viewers what happened. We need to know the exact thing that is happening. Ano? Bawal yan. Bawal sabihin yan. maano tayo, baka ma-ban tayo sa FB, sa Meta. Bawal yan. So, we don't need to use that word. We know what would be the situation, but your guess is as good as mine, at least. At least may idea na tayo. So, pinapractice natin dito, hindi lang yung broadcast ethics, it's international ethics and also the guidelines from our social media platforms on Facebook like Meta. So, Mercado missing the free throw. So, there's going to be 3 free throws with him, 1 technical and 1 the free throws. It will cancel out the technical bench decorum. Yan ang nangyari po kanina. The free throw is good. (62 to 53). 33.1 seconds remaining in the third quarter. So we're now back into our normal after a 10 to 15 minute lull. Ibay misses. Ibay gets it right back. They have 10 seconds on the shot clock, 23 seconds on the game clock. Ibay drives, block, put back, no. Pamulagan will try again, 10 seconds to shoot. Ibay almost stepped to the line, 3-point shot short, rebound. Here's Santo Tomas. Counter steal by Pamulagan, 3 seconds on the game clock. Here it comes. He traveled. Really. Ay, maubos na boses ko. 1.1 seconds remaining in the third quarter. One last shot time for Santo Tomas. Here's the pitch. Good catch. Lopez. No. End of third quarter, 53 to 62. Let's watch the highlights. We'll take a break. More basketball action right here in Delta Cup. Watch this highlights, please. We're down to final 10 minutes of the fourth quarter, and then it has been a magnificent broadcast here in Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Paro. I'm almost running out of my voice because these games, 3 of the 6 games are so tantalizingly close, physical, brutal, at the same time intense. Ibay with a bounce pass. Almost a turnover. Here's Pamulagan, sidestep, goes for it. There's a block shot for the shot clock. They need to put it up. Ibay from the corner, 1 second on the shot clock, and another shot clock violation for MINALIN. Second infraction of that. Shot clock violations, 2 for MINALIN, 1 for Santo Tomas earlier. The 0.2 second of the shot clock was nullified after the review. Now for Santo Tomas, they need to maintain this lead. Those turnovers are crucial. Here's the drive. The layup too strong. Rebound Sagmit. Sagmit has been flying high like an eagle. Pamulagan draws the contact and 1. Pamulagan. $10 points for Pamulagan. 19-13 remaining in this ball game. Baditi goes out. Batak checks in for Santo Tomas. Pamulagan free throw is no good. The lead is 62 to 55 Santo Tomas. A minute gone by in this ball game. Fourth quarter action. Jump shot by Gomez. It goes in. It's Gomez rather. So Gomez has 15 points. Ibay almost lost it. Steal. There's Santa Rita. Layup. No. Rebound. Ibay. That's going to be a foul. Ibay breaks it up, drives, bounce pass. There's going to be a foul before that. $16 seconds on the shot clock. It's going to be a fourth foul on someone. I believe it's number 9 for Santo Tomas. That's Lopez, who scored 9 points, but he is in foul trouble. Ibay misses the free throw. It's going to be a lane violation against MINALIN. It's going to be substitutions now for Santo Tomas. We're down to the 9-minute mark of this fourth and final quarter. Another turnover for Santo Tomas. Ibay. Pamulagan. Back to Ibay. Pamulagan's momentarily open. He hits the 3-point shot. Lead is down to 6. 2 minutes gone by in this fourth quarter. Zapata. Gomez, 3 ball. It's no good. Rebound controlled by Zapata. Zapata inside. Strip. Sagmit. Fast break. Sagmit running down court. The drop pass inside. Pamulagan will not score. Rebound controlled by Sagmit. Bounce pass. Bonifacio lost it. The pitch. And a turnover. $64-58. There's a turnover. The drop pass. Look at that. Both teams feeling the pressure. Just like mine. If both teams feeling the pressure, yours truly running out of vocal cords because of this beautiful ball game. And Bonifacio was fouled by Zapata. Look at that. Wild and woolly basketball we're seeing here. 64-58. Live has the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Live drives. There's a foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Live now ready for the second free throw. Crucial misses there for MINALIN, but the lead is just 6. Both teams playing tough defense, but both teams also missing free throws. Both teams are feeling pressure, so this is an evenly matched contest. The one who well under pressure will be the sorry loser, because this game is really blockbuster. The drop pass inside, another turnover. That's a 2 straight turnovers there for MINALIN. Santo Tomas early in penalty, and MINALIN did not take advantage of that last 2 possessions. They turned the ball over. Santo Tomas playing hard-nosed tough defense. Gomez now on the right wing. Gomez crossover. Here's Batak. Batak to Gomez. Gomez fakes, drives against 3. Here's Johnson. He was foul counted and 1. Three-point play opportunity now for Tiongson. Johnson completes a 3-point play, and they need the services of this guy, one of the littlest guys on the floor. Bonifacio will be replaced. Garcia checks it out, or checks in rather. Gomez checks out, and now Mercado, the top scorer for Santo Tomas, who has 17 points. 16 remaining in the fourth quarter. Pamulagan 3-point shot. It works. It works. 13 points. Pamulagan. The lead is 6 points. 67-61. And Batak loses it on the sideline. He loses it on the sideline. 5 minutes and 58 remaining. And for those viewers still watching this close game, thank you very much. It's been a delight. It's been a pleasure to cover 6 games of Delta Cup. I wanted to also congratulate one of my broadcasting friends, Sakati Abayon, finally revealed his boyfriend. Congratulations. And of course, may God bless your family. 3-point shot. A pride from Bacolod. 67-61 there. And a turnover. And a foul by Mercado. If that's Mercado, he's out. Is that his last foul? Is that his last foul? Let's check. It's a foul of Mercado. Earlier I saw it was a 4th personal foul, but the thing is that his last foul? Let me check. No, sirree. Mercado's not yet in foul out. But he has what? 3 fouls or 4 fouls? We'll check with our table officials, Deputy Commissioner Totoy Marquez. Now the bench of MINALIN is asking how many fouls is Mercado, as we see Garcia scores. Okay, Mercado says it is 4th personal foul. Excuse me. And we have a foul. We have a foul by Santo Tomas. It's a foul. Is that a foul on Gomez? And if that's Gomez, I think he's out. He's 5 fouls probably. Or it is the point guard. So number 10 player fouls out of the game. Okay. This is just a 4-point lead. Layog, top of the key. 10 to shoot. 5.5 minutes, still a long time. Pampanga needs to be patient on offense. 5 to shoot now. They need inside pass. Nice up fake. Here's the shot by Almasara. (67-65). 5 minutes remaining in this ball game. Majority of the crowd are Minalins here. The BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Mercado was blocked, but there's a foul. On Pampanga. Big basket there by Almasara, but there's going to be a foul. So there will be 2 more free throws for Mercado. Take a look at this in slow-mo replay. Let's see if there's contact. I think that's clean. I think that's a clean block. I don't know if there's a foul on that slow-mo, but that's a clean block for me, if I'm going to ask. But we're going to respect the referee's decision for that. But I guess your guess is good as mine to the viewers. It should be a block. Mercado now will be tested at the free throw line on a pressure cooker situation with the yelling, howling fans here at BREN GUIAO, and he makes the first. 18 points for Mercado. If Santo Tomas wins, Mercado will be the best player. No doubt about that. He's been a workhorse, but he is in foul trouble with 4 fouls. Short on that free throw, but they get the ball back. Ball batted away. Last touch by Mercado. It will be basketball for MINALIN. 3-point game. It is a 3-point game. It is a 3-point game. So far, the breaks are going Minalin's way. Halfway point of the final quarter, 5 minutes. Pampanga drives, block. There is a block by Lyson. (18 shot clock). Nice up fake. Here's the drive, the draw from the baseline. Block. Good block, Lyson. Lopez is trapped. Lysong brings up the ladder. Lysong. Mercado. 30 to shoot. Here's Mercado. Gomez. 5 on the shot clock. Gomez with 3 to shoot. Gomez spins. Gomez foul counted. What a shot by Gomez. What a move by Gomez. Single-handedly scoring that. And he has 17 points. Nice move by Gomez. Just when you thought that MINALIN can come closer to this lead, no soap. Santo Tomas trying to bury the hatchet here on MINALIN. It is a 5-point game. A miss, rebound, controlled by MINALIN. Ibay. 4:19 remaining. Layog. He drives. Here's the bounce pass. Inside. That's acrobatic. That's too much. The lob. Mahiti. Too much as well. Pampanga brings it downtown. He almost lost it. Counter steal by Layog. It is an 8-second violation. It is an 8-second backward violation. 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Both teams have 3 timeouts to call. They have plenty of timeouts. They want the players to win. Almost a turnover. Zapata inside. Bank bodies. Lyson almost lost it. Lyson one-handed shot. It will not work. Rebound controlled by Layog. Here's the sidestep. He gonna go for traveling. 3:39 remaining in the ball game. It's been a joy to watch these youngsters play. It's my privilege to me to call these games because it is. I'm humbled to cover these games here in Delta Cup. Thank you very much, Governor Delta Pineda. And this game is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Time down to 3 minutes and 25. They won an isolation. There's a pick by Lyson Gomez. Forward to shoot. Gomez to Lyson. Jump shot on its way. Failed. Rebound. Ibay. Ibay brings it downtown. Ibay wants to go all the way. He drops it off. Pamulagan puts it up. A glass shot didn't work. Rebound. Sagmit. 10 on the shot clock. Sagmit makes his move. 6 on the shot clock. 5, 4, 3. He needs to put it up. Sagmit takes matters into his own hands. It misses. Gomez. And a foul by Sagmit. See that on a slow-mo replay. That's only the 14th foul for MINALIN, but moving forward, all the fouls will be penalty situations. But let's take a break. We have a timeout. And here are some of the personnel of our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda enjoying this ball game. And again, thank you so much, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. You are a champion coach, and you are the head of province of Pampanga, giving this displaced workers some payout that it truly be a eternity or a lifetime to savor. And congratulations to the Pampanga Giant Lanterns to be national champions. And this venue is a national venue for sports. BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. I need to stand up because this game is great. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. The game is on, and a steal by Pamulagan. Sagmit on the fast break. Sagmit drops it up. Still a missed shot. And here's Santo Tomas. 2-on-1 situation. The drop to Mercado. Basket counts. Basket counts. A foul by Ibay. The lead is 7. Slow-mo replay shows the 3-on-1 situation. Eminently work. And that's the 4th personal foul of Ibay, if I'm not mistaken. So Mercado now has a total of 20 points. This shot by Mercado. 72 to 65, 2:25 remaining. Here's Pamulagan. Ball stripped away by Maniti. So if in case MINALIN can pull an upset, I will choose 2. Sagmit, Pamulagan. 2 minutes and 20. Here's a 3-point shot. Pamulagan! I told you so. This team is a no-quitter. 16 points for Pamulagan, and we're down to the twilight zone. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the last 2 minutes of game number 6. Buckle up your seats. Lyson has it. Last 2 minutes now. Here's Mercado on the right wing. Mercado fires a 3-point shot. It goes out. Rebound controlled for Ibay. Ibay almost a bad pass. Here's Pamulagan once again. Didn't deliver. Battle for the rebound. It goes to the green shirts. They're up by 4. Ball tapped out of bounds. It will stay with Santo Tomas. Back to live action. Here's Santo Tomas with a possession. They have 17 seconds on the shot clock. Ibay tightly close, guarded by Gomez. Gomez almost lost the handle. Here's the shot by Gomez, no good. Lyson, follow up, no good. He gets it right back. The spin turns, force a fall away shot by Lyson, no good. Still rebound control by Ibay. Ibay brings it downtown. It's going to be a foul on Lyson. So foul on Lyson now. Ibay will be tested at the free throw line. Imported free throws for MINALIN. 68-72. 1:24 remaining. He makes the first. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now on the conclusion of the 6-game broadcast, and what a way to end the 6th game with another thriller. Thriller in Pampanga. A missed shot there. Rebound control by the green shirts. Ball is loose. Now the green shirts has it. Minute and 20 remaining. Here's Gomez. Brings it up court. Gomez wants to go all the way. Will challenge technique. 2 defenders. Protect inside the paint by Zapata. 3 throws now for Zapata. A 5-point cushion, 74-69. Makes the free throw, 75-69. 6-point lead. Both teams had 2 timeouts remaining. Sagmit brings it downtown for MINALIN. A minute and 11 remaining. Sagmit will drive. Draw. Outside. Ibay. Drives hard. Block. .15 seconds on the shot clock, a minute and 5 in the game clock. Here's the fake by Ibay. He will drive hard. Ball batted away. Here's Segmit. Segmit goes right, drives hard. 9 on the shot clock, spin turn. Here's a 3-point shot from Almosara. Missed the shot. Battle for the rebound. It's going to be a foul against MINALIN. Against Guiara. Penalty situation in effect for both teams. Every foul will be 2 free throws for the offended party. Base shot by Lyson. Time remaining is 54.1. 75-69. Santo Tomas. That's a miss on both free throws, but they get the ball back. They're going to review it. We will consult this monitor here. Direct, let's have an instant replay on the last out-of-bounds play. Let's use the baseline camera to show you the last out-of-bounds play. Take a look at this. Here's the free throw. This is the press box. This is unclear on that. Can we have the baseline camera? Baseline camera naman gamitin natin direct para dito sa instant replay. Ayan. So, here's the free throw. Eto, naglalabanan sila. Hindi rin kita eh. So, hindi kita. Mas kita yung top view camera. Ikaw na mag-decide, Direk. Thank you, Direk. And after the review, the last session, it will be MINALIN ball. So still a glimmer of hope for MINALIN. 6-point deficit. 69-75. Sagmit. We will see the ball on the half court. They need to score quickly now. Sagmit on the outside. Pamulagan. He's a shooter. But he missed that 3-point shot. Sagmit getting the first win. No, it's Silvestre, and it looks like Santo Tomas can hold on to this win. And one player stood out is this guy, number 8 player, Mercado. Despite all of the infractions that he had, he stood his ground, and look at that, Lyson with the final nail of the coffin against Minalin. 77-69, and that should do it. That should do it. Minalin survives as Trailer in Pampanga. Game is over. The game is over. Santo Tomas wins it 77-69. And yours truly, we finally interview the best player of the ball game, Mercado, in just a few minutes. That's our final score. We're going to wrap up the broadcast right after this.
Hello.
Sound check. It is once again at Trela in Pampanga. Final score 77-69. Santo Tomas team survives a Minalin comeback, and this guy with 20 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists, Gab Mercado, show why he is a leader. Gab, tell us, after nung altercation nung kanina, paano ka nag-stay composed na alam mong itong Minalin babalik at babalik sa'yo?
Siyempre, makikinig kami sa mga coaching namin, tsaka walang pasaway, hindi kami papigon. Basta focus lang sa laro. Tapos,
Pinakabata sa amin, pero lakas! Waligay mo ba? Waligay!
ano po kasi?
Okay, tuloy mo yung sinasabi mo.
Yung uli, yung nakahabol na yun, Minalin. Siyempre, depensa. Depensa muna. Kahit wala nang play na dito sa opensa, basta depensa.
And of course, one more thing, yung mga top teams, sigurado, they will eye on you, they want to shackle you. Sino pang sa mga team mong ko-contribute pa bukod sa iyo na magiging total team effort ang Minalin?
Mag-contribute sa amin lahat. Kaming team, as a team kaming mag-contribute para mapanalo yung balen ng Santo Tomas. Tsaka konti pang practice para mapagandaan pa namin yung standing namin.
Gab, you deserve a shoutout. Batiin mo at pasalamatan ang mga taga Santo Tomas.
Unang-una po, siyempre po, papasalamat po sa taas na binigay kaming lakas para manalo. Shoutout po sa mga sumusuporta sa Santo Tomas, sa pamilya ko, sa papa ko, tsaka sa mama ko, walang sawang suporta, tito ko, tita, Marco, tsaka po mga nasa Santo Tomas po. Tsaka family ko po, Mercado family.
Your best player of the ball game, Gab Mercado. Salamat, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, and that wraps up our 6-game broadcast of yet another Trela in Pampanga dito po sa Delta Cup. Sa ngalan ng mga bumubuo ng production ng D&D Media and of course Tech Alder, and also in behalf of our Commissioner Coach Leo Isaac, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, saying sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been the presentation of D&D Media and of course Delta Cup powered by Sinag Liga Asia from GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Dakul salamat kay kayo, and to God be the glory. Thank you. Love you.